So we're back with me, Chef Raihan, and this is Satisfactory, Cook Healthy, Cook Happy. Second dish, we're gonna make some biscuits. It's really simple. You just need a biscuit flour or bread flours or all-purpose flour is okay. And then we have shredded cheddar cheese, parsley, milk, butter, Old Bay, and then some garlic powder. First thing first, we prepare the flour. It's about 4 tablespoons of butter. We whisk it until it mixes all together. This is basically a very simple dish you can cook at home. It can be a dessert, it can be a snack, it can be savory snacks. You just need flours and butter or margarine, and then just some milk. And then we put some parsley and some of shredded cheddar cheese. And we put some milk. We mix it then put it in here. Yep. And then we put some flour so they not stick to the surface. Okay. And then we shape it around. We'll fry it and we put some cheddar cheese in it. Okay. One done, and the other one. After it's all done, we put in baking sheet and ready to bake. And we put it in the oven for 200 Celsius and 30 minutes. While we're waiting for the biscuit, let's make the glazing. Okay, just put some butter. And then some of Old Bay seasoning. Okay, and then put some parsley. Okay, the glaze is done. We put it in here. And then we check the biscuit. Look at that. Ooh. And then we brush it with the sauce. We glaze the top of it. Okay. Glaze is done, and we just put in plate. And it's done. Garlic Parmesan biscuit. So the biscuit is done. Let's make the third one. Okay, so stay tuned in Satisfactory. Cook healthy, cook happy.